Good morning, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars and DIYs, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist. And for today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you on how you will be removing the back seat for your Hyundai Eon. So just in case you guys decided to have your back seat reupholstered or maybe wash your seat cover, this is how you remove your back seat. All right, so first thing that you'll need to do is release the locks on your backrest, both left and right. So these are the pull out locks that you see. All right, and then push your back seat like that. Now this is going to be a bit difficult on my part because I do have a huge sound system at the back, but the process is typically or basically the same. Let me just clean that out. All right, so now comes the fun part. So in order for you to remove the back seat, there is one bolt that needs to be removed. So what I did was I just pushed the trunk cover at the back, and you'll expose that. Let me just turn on the flash for you guys. All right, so you'll see this size 12, I believe. Let me just check out the socket. Yeah, so size 12, and just remove that. So let's use the ratchet. Let's see if we can lose it by hand. Yep. All right, and just in case you guys are asking, that amplifier powers the raw drivers that I have. The tweeters are being powered by a separate amplifier. Okay, almost. All right, so it's out. All right, so just be careful, make sure you place that carefully now. And after removing the bolt, guys, gently push the backrest like that. Don't lock it. And then all you need to do now is just pull up the back seat like this. There's like gaps. All right, and then go to the other side and remove it. All right, so we're on the other side. I'm gonna remove it like, okay, there you go. Okay, back seat is out. All right, so now that the back seat is removed, you might want to check if for any dirt, dust that you wanted to clean out. So if everything looks fine, then you may return it, or put the seat cover back, or have your back seat reupholstered, and so on. Okay. All right, so guys, we'll now be returning the back seat. Let me just get the. All right. So after getting the seat itself, just line it up. Make sure that you get the seat belt buckles on top of the back seat, and the third one here. And you can just touch the locks and secure it like this. Okay. All right. And then, last but not the least, the bolt. Again, same process, guys. And then you'll see there um, the hook. I don't know what it's called, but it's a bit off. All you need to do is push the lock like that. Okay, line it up basically. And then let's see if we'll be able to hook the bolt on the hole. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna use both hands so I can push one while the other one is. Don't worry, guys, this is not as hard if you don't have a huge audio system like I do. The reason why it's hard is because I cannot remove the trunk cover completely. It's there. Let's go ahead and tighten that out using a size 12 ratchet. Okay, and that's how you remove and reinstall your back seat. And guys, that's how you remove, reinstall your back seat for your Hyundai Eon. If you like the video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you on the next video.